Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro. Today we'll be doing a replacement of a power cord hatch cover. These are typically located on the outside of RVs and they're simple to replace. The tools you'll need for this are an impactor or drill with an adapter bit for whatever screws you're using. Today we're using a Phillips. You'll also need a plastic putty knife. While you can use a metal one, it is more likely that you will damage or ruin the paint around that area. You'll also need silicone to make sure that everything is watertight while installing this to prevent any water damage or leaks. So this replacement should only take about 5 minutes. Let's get straight into it. Once you find your electrical cord cover and locate the screws on it, use your screw gun or your drill to remove the screws. Then the whole cover should pull directly out. Once you've pulled it out, you'll need to remove the cord from the cover. This might be a little bit finicky, but should be easy enough done. At this point, you want to use your scraper to remove any excess silicone or weatherproofing that might remain on your RV. At this point, you want to put the new cover over your power cord. You want to put the 3 prongs in first and then push in. This is the simplest way that we have found to do it. At this point in time, you want to put a reasonable amount of silicone around the hole. This is to ensure that it doesn't leak and is weatherproof. Now you'll just need to slide the cover up the power cord and into the opening. Make sure this is lined up with your old holes or straight up and down. Now you'll need to screw it back in. Make sure you apply enough pressure that the silicone spreads enough and makes it weatherproof. Now that the cover is firmly attached, you can now push the cord all the way back in and snap your new cover down. As you see, this was a quick and easy install, and if you want to know more about the product, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.